So as I was saying, you right click on an empty space, click on personalize, click on browse. When you click on browse, wait for it to load your folder for you. So I'm selecting my picture. Okay, I want a picture like this. So I click on the picture, then I click on choose picture. Did you see that? It's somewhere here. You click on choose picture. The picture is loaded. Good. So you can see that the background has changed that picture that I've selected. And click on close. So this thing is a practical work. You have to practice. If you don't practice it, you can't master it. Then you can't keep all this in memory, trying to memorize the steps to change background picture because exam is coming. No. Try and get the computer and practice. Practice how to do it. If you're able to do it, you get used to it. Wherever you are, they ask you to do this, you want to do it. I'm not going to pardon anybody that, oh, I forgot the step. No. Keep practicing. Computer comes is a practical thing. You don't learn computer by theory. That's why everything that we are discussing, I'm doing it for you to see. Don't just do it by theory, read about it, that's all. No. You have to practice. So keep practicing. Let's go back. Good. So wallpapers. Now this is another step, changing the wallpaper to a color. So step 1, right click on an empty space, click on personalize, click on the rectangular shape which with the down pointing arrow. I'm going to show you that. And we click on solid color, then we are going to what? To select the color that we want, and then we close the window and we are done. Let's do that. So on our desktop, we want to use a color. We don't need to use any picture. Right click on an empty space, click on personalize, good. So this one is saying that we should click from this box here, we choose solid color. So we select solid color. Wait for it to load. Click on solid color, then I can select any color that I want, maybe red, yellow, blue, green. Select solid color. See, these are the colors. So you can see black is what I've selected. I can select orange. The background tint what? Orange. Good. So you can select your favorite color here and then close the settings. So that's the same step that we do to change the background picture. This time around, we just come to the background here. Instead of picture, we select solid color. Then you can select any color of your choice to use it as your background color. So you can close this. We're done in that particular. So let's continue with icons. So what are icons? The icons are the smaller images on the desktop that represent applications or programs on the computer. We'll be taking this one as a whole topic and then we'll treat it because we have different types of icons on the computer. We don't have only one or two folders. No, we have application, we have music icon, we have video, we have game, we have a lot of things that the icon represent them on the desktop. Okay, good. So we'll be learning about that. Let's see this. They are used to open application. They represent. So the icon there, when you double click on it, it represents the application that you want to open. Maybe Beacon is there. Let me practice this. Let's do that. Maybe you want to. These are all icons. I want to open anything, maybe Google Chrome. It's a browser. When I double click on this right now, it's going to open the browser for me to browse. I have folders. I have folders here. This folder, when I double click on it, it's going to open it for me. So That's double clicking. So we'll be learning about double clicking, also how you use it. All this before, you should be able to double click by now. Use the mouse, just double click, pressing the left mouse button twice and faster. So that's double clicking. So we use it to open icons on the desktop. So learn that icons are pictures on the desktop that represent installed programs on the computer. That's what icons are, small pictures on the desktop that represent installed programs on the computer. This one is an installed program visual DJ player. I have maybe IntelliJ for programming. I have a lot of things on the desktop. Visual Code, I have a lot of things. So these are all icons. They represent Photoshop. This one represents Photoshop for designing, and this Mavis Beacon. So when you're looking for Mavis Beacon to open, either you type Mavis Beacon here to search, or you come here and then you double click on the icon to open Mavis Beacon. Good. So we'll see the double clicking that we use to open icon. Now we can also right click. We have two main types. So we can also right click on the icon and then choose open to open the icon. Now let's demonstrate that with the class. So you see the icon is here. You can right click on the icon and then click on open. It's also a method of opening an icon. Or you double click on it to open the icon. Good. So I believe you can do this. You can change your desktop background color. You can use it as an image. You can choose your own picture. You can do all that. Good. Thanks for watching. Let's do this short exercise for ladies, please. So the exercise, do it nicely. Submit it. Make it bigger for you. Good. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions nicely and then submit them to me. Define the following things: desktop, icon, folder. Well, a folder by this time? Oh no, go and find out. Folder. You can explain a folder. Yes, you've seen it. Just describe it. Know an icon, you know a desktop. Describe the steps to change the wallpaper to a color. So now we have a wallpaper, you want to change it to a color green or color blue. Describe that step. You should be able to do that. Now question 3. Which of the following is the first step in changing the desktop background? Read through this step. This A. Click on the Personalize from the pop-up menu. B. Right click on an empty space on the desktop. C. Click on Browse and choose your picture. So select the right option, send it to me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.